everyone, welcome to Juststandout Installation Series 2. We'll be taking you on a tour across some of our most exciting installations, featuring our partners powering schools, farms, elevators across Nigeria and Africa. Let's go! Do you have any specific industry installations powered by Juststandout inverters and piloted lithium-ion batteries? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.